The manual way of changing gears is currently going extinct at an alarming rate. In Europe, the manual transmission is still readily available to lower end and some sports cars. In the US, the manual transmission is only standard in a few automobiles, with it being an option on even fewer models. Nowadays, manual sports cars are an endangered species. With the rise of hybrid and electric vehicles, manufacturers are fading out the production of manual cars. However, manual enthusiasts can rest easy knowing that there are plenty of 2023 manual transmission cars to look forward to. Hyundai i30N. The Hyundai i30N will get an update for the 2023 model year with the introduction of the i30N Drive-N Limited Edition. This special version of the car will have some of the normal i30's options as standard, along with some unique trim pieces, such as matte bronze wheels and new side decals to make the car stand out. The N-Drive Limited Edition will only be available with an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, but do not worry, the normal i30N will keep its 6-speed manual for the foreseeable future. The i30N produces 273 horsepower from a turbocharged 2.0-liter 4-cylinder, with all the power going to the front wheels only. Mini Cooper S. The Mini Cooper S is a great compact car for city driving, thanks to its perky styling and easy maneuverability. Mini has halted production of its manual transmission cars because of the global pandemic and the subsequent semiconductor shortage, but has stated that the 6-speed option will be available again in 2023. Under the hood of the Mini Cooper S is a 2.0-liter turbocharged i4, producing 190 horsepower and 207 pounds-to-foot of torque, mated to a choice of either a 6-speed manual or 7-speed DCT. The Cooper S is available in a normal 3-door or 5-door hatchback body style, or as a convertible. Acura Integra. The Acura Integra is back after a 16-year hiatus and will have a 6-speed manual transmission. The 2023 Integra will share a platform with the 11th generation Honda Civic, and the only engine choice available at launch will be a 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder producing 200 horsepower and 192 pounds-to-foot of torque. All new Integras will get the CVT as standard. However, the top-tier A-Spec technology package will have a 6-speed manual and a limited slip differential as options. The production version of the Integra will be nearly identical to the pre-production car, with some minor changes and the exclusion of the yellow exterior color and decals. Honda Civic Type R. The new 6th generation Honda Civic Type R is one of the best 2023 sports cars. This updated model boasts excellent handling and steering performance thanks to rigorous testing at racetracks in Europe, North America, and Japan. Under the hood of the new Type R is Honda's award-winning K20C1 turbocharged 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine. This means 315 horsepower and 310 pounds-to-foot of torque and a 6-speed manual, with power going to the front wheels only. The new Type R is also the best yet, doing away with the over-styling which enthusiasts have criticized the previous 2 generations for. Mazda MX-5, ND3. The Mazda MX-5 will get a refresh for the 2023 model year, which could include the addition of another engine choice below the 2.0-liter engine currently available. The refresh would also include various new features and innovations, as well as a restyling on both the exterior and interior. The rumor is that Mazda will lighten the car even more to just over 2,000 pounds, which will result in an even sportier and more fun-to-drive vehicle. Of course, the 6-speed manual currently found in the MX-5 will remain and continue to be an option for any previous models. If you enjoyed this video, kindly press the like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe with notifications on, so that you don't miss out on videos like this. Thank you for watching.